Hello, today we're going to start our second day of adding like terms. And today we're going to look at algebraic expressions, and we're going to move past using only objects like we did yesterday. So to get started, we're going to look for like terms in an expression. In question 1, I'm going to start by shading my first term in green, and my first term is 3x. Now, when I look at my second term, which is 7, I can see that it's a different type of term because it's only a number and it doesn't have the variable x with it. In math, when we have a term that's only a number, we call it a constant. So I'm going to shade 7 a different color because it's a different kind of term. Now, my 3 being added on is also a constant. So I'm going to shade my 3 the same color as my 7. When I want to add my like terms, I know that I'm going to have a term that's green, and I'm going to have a term that's this reddish pink color. And I'm going to add my two terms together because I'm trying to add my terms that are similar or like. Since we only have 3x in green, I'm going to have 3x in my green on my simplified expression. But when I look at my reds, I have 7 plus 3, which I know is 10. And so I'm going to have 10 in my red part of my expression. That means when I add my like terms, my expression 3x plus 7 plus 3 is simplified to equal 3x plus 10. If I do the same thing with question 2, I'm going to start with my first term. Oops, that didn't work. Which is 2x, and I'm going to shade it blue. And then I'm going to see, do I have any other terms that are like or similar to 2x? That means I'm looking for a term that has the variable x in it. And I have it here where I have 4x. Then I'm going to take a different color and I'm going to shade my second term, which is 6. And I'm going to look at my expression. Do I have any like terms that's only a constant, like 6? And I have 1. 1 is also a constant because it's a number by itself. That means in my simplified expression, I'm going to have a blue part because the blue represents the blue-like terms. And I'm going to have a green part, which represents the green-like terms. And I know those will be added together. When I add my blue terms together, 2x plus 4x, that equals 6x. And when I add my green parts together, 6 plus 1, that equals 7. So my simplified expression is 6x plus 7. And these two expressions are equal or equivalent because they are the same expressions but written in a simplified way. Let's look at 2 more examples. In question 3, I'm again going to highlight my first term. This time I'm going to use yellow. And I'm going to look for any other terms that are like terms. My first term is 5, which is a constant, and that means I'm looking for other terms that are constants. -2 is also a constant, so it's going to be yellow. Then I'm going to look for my second term, which is 2m, and I'm looking for another term that has the variable m, which is my last term here, also a 2m. That means when I simplify my expression, I'm going to have a term that's the yellow-like terms, and I'm going to have a term that's the pink-like terms. When I look at my yellows, I have 5 plus -2, which gives me +3. And I have my pink or my red terms, 2m plus 2m, which gives me 4m. And again, these terms are equivalent. I can leave my expression like this, or often when we write expressions, we write the variable first, followed by the constant. Both of these would be correct ways to write the expression. Let's look at question 4. In question 4, my first term is 6h. So I'm going to highlight my 6h, and I'm looking for other terms that have a like term. So that means I'm looking for terms with h in the expression. And here I have negative 2h. I'm then going to look for terms that are like my second term here, 3. 3 is a constant, and I have negative 1 there as a constant. So I know in my simplified expression, I'm going to have a green part for my like terms that I've highlighted green, and I'm going to have a blue part. And those will be added together. I have 6h plus negative 2h. If I have 6 horses and I take away 2 horses, I know I have 4 horses. That gives me 4h. In my blue, I have 3 subtract 1, which is 2. So I have 4h plus 2.